What's up, everybody? My name is Mark Madrano, and this is Make It Manifest. I want to welcome you guys all to this episode, which is going to be a little different than the others. This one is going to have a week 3 recap and also week 4 recap. Now, before I go any further, I just want to let you guys know that this week was, and the last week was super red. It was bloody. How bloody? Very bloody. All right. Now, without further ado, let's actually get into it. All right, so pretty much we started off the week pretty good. Monday came in and we were trading sideways from the previous week. So we ended the previous week at around 73 to 75,000. And that led me to believe that we're going to have a really good green week because that week was pretty red. And this one came up and we were trading sideways pretty good. So I felt confident that, the stock is going to go up. My stock is going to go up for sure. And out of nowhere, boom, we have... we had that happen. So at 6:40 in the morning, everything dropped like crazy. And there was stocks, not only LKCO, but stocks across the board. They just went down. We had thought that, we had faced all the red that we were going to face the previous week. But this day came around and goddamn, I got hit really bad. So I went down 33% this day. And we went down $24,572. So that was a big blow. But I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not worried just because of the stock that I'm holding. It's going to be for a long term. I'm not too worried about the fluctuations that go up and down. Maybe it might drop $1 or a few cents or whatever it may be, but I have a strong conviction that this stock is going to go up multiple dollars then. Anyway, so we started up and started going back up. Would have been a really good time to buy at this point. I think the LKCO had dropped down to, 160, 150, and it was a really good opportunity to buy. But unfortunately, I don't have any funds to buy more, or else I would have bought more. And then we just ended up trading sideways for the entire week. Tuesday came around. We started to go up on Wednesday. And as you can see here, we got up all the way to around 71,000. I was like, okay, cool. Things are going back. But unfortunately, things just kept on going down and down and down. And that was pretty much the week for my week. It was pretty red. And I look forward to next week because, Jesus, look at this. Look at this. Boom. Ended up trading $52,712 for the entire week. I'm really happy with the choices that I've made. As you guys can see down here, these options, I suck at options. I'm trying to learn as much as I can by, actually practicing it. But the thing is that these are becoming really expensive lessons, as you guys can see here. And maybe I should read a little bit more before I actually go into them. But you know what? It's a red week, and you learn by doing, or at least that's what my thought process is. I actually take into consideration all these losses that I have, and they hurt, and I want to make sure that it doesn't happen again. You see, I have some time with these down here, ARO, OEG, ARO, and then a GTE down here. I think that these will go up. The Hymex call, and that might be a call that isn't going to go up. $25 call with the March 26th expiration date. Got 20 of those suckers. Don't think I'm gonna make profit on these at all. Don't even think I'm gonna recoup some of my losses, but right now it's trading at $13.50. If you look at this right here, the 1 month chart, hit a previous high around $17.88. And I think generally it's a good stock. It's an EV company stock that not a lot of people know about. So if you guys are interested in doing some due diligence, it's on that one. Anyway, going over here. So those are my plays. I went ahead and upped 1,000 shares, I believe. I'm not sure if it was this week or the previous week, but up to 1,000 shares. So now I'm currently holding 31,000 shares of LKCO, and I see the stock going way up. So that was my week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. All right, you guys, pretty much this is going to be the recap for dates March 1st to March 5th. Let's get into it, yeah? So pretty much we start off the week here at 57,000, and giving it to you guys pretty straight. Just look at this. I got nothing to say. Look at it. Today hit a bottom of 27,854. I wish I had more money to invest into this damn stock, because damn, it was super cheap. Stupid cheap today. Point is, we ended up the week at around 30,464. Not trying to waste anybody's time, but damn, look at this. So pretty much still got the same calls, still got the same stock, and currently holding these 31,000 shares. I honestly think it's gonna go up way more within these coming months, and I have no plans on selling it. Absolutely zero plans on selling it. If I had more funds, I'd buy it, but unfortunately, all the funds that I do have are going to be allocated to that smart portfolio where I'm going to diversify a little bit more, and I won't have any LKCL, because then it'll be just LKCL the entire time that we're making these videos, and it won't actually be pretty fun. So I get bored of looking at the stock drop and drop and drop and drop, but I am a big believer in a stock. If I didn't sell at 386, what's going to make you think that I'm going to sell it at what? How much is it right now? 93 cents. Absolutely not. I'm going to hold it to around maybe $10, take some profit, and then buy stocks once it's cheaper again, and ride the profits up all the way up again. But pretty much that was my week. Check out, how was my month? Let me see, where's my month at? This is pretty much my day. This was my week. Yeah, 44%. That's crazy, huh? I would be tripping out if this was like 2 weeks ago or something like that. But I'm a big believer in the stock. I mean, I could ride this down all the way down until the very bottom, and I'm gonna keep on holding the stock. But for the month, down around 32%. So as you guys can see, that was pretty much my week. How was your guys' week? I'm currently about 52% below my current weekly price target, which I'm supposed to be hitting at consistently every week in order to make those $250,000. But right now I am 52% away from my target goal, which is supposed to be $63,632. Once again, I just want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor. I only do this for entertainment purposes only. Know that, trading is very risky, so do it at your own risk. As you can see, you can have entered last week and you could put your money in and you could have lost a good amount of it. But always know that, the market fluctuates, and it fluctuates up and it fluctuates down. You can make money every single day in the stock market. Just gotta get in the right place. Have a great trading week next week. I expect to have a green week. What do you expect? Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this week. I wanna thank you guys very much for watching the video. Go ahead and leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you guys wanna follow my daily movements of what I do and pretty much how my stocks go throughout the day, go ahead and follow MIM_stocks on Instagram so you guys can follow that. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate the support.